Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is website development using WordPress. This is class 8 of this training process. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to customize your WordPress theme. So let's get to the screen without wasting any time. Let me visit the website we have been working on. Okay, I want to open the website in a new tab. Okay, so this is the website we have been working on. This is class 8 of this training. Okay, so what we are going to do today is to customize this website. This theme we are using is Human. Okay, so we are going to customize this theme. What do we have to do in customization? We can change the look of the website, we can change the color of the website and some other things according to the theme you are using. Okay, so to do that, we go under appearance. Under appearance, we see theme and the next one is customize. So I want to open this customize in another tab. So to do that, I will right click on customize and I'll click on open link in a new tab. Okay, so on clicking on the customize here, it will open this interface for you. So from here, you can customize any section of your website. Okay, notice something here. You have this icon edit. So each section on your website, you can see them here. You can see them here. So on the left hand side here, you will see different things that you can do to customize and to make changes to this website. So I can minimize this by clicking on this hide control. So if I hide control, I can see the website the way it looks. Then I can easily bring back this layout at the left hand side. If I want to see how my website look on different devices, you'll see these three icons here. The first icon is for desktop view, the second one is for tablet view, and the third one is for mobile view. I am on desktop view now, so if I want to see how this website looks on tablet view, then I'll click on this second icon. So if a visitor is viewing my website on tablet, this is exactly how my website will look like. So on desktop view, you can see that the two sidebars were visible, but on tablet view, the two sidebars are hidden and you can easily show them on tablet view. So if I want to see how this website look on mobile view, then I will click on this third icon. Then you can see how this website look on the mobile view. Okay, back to the desktop view. You can see that they are sectioned. Now note something here. What you are seeing here, you may not see them in other themes because this customization are different according to the type of themes that you are using. Okay, so here the first one here is web page design, title, logo, font, color, background, social links. Okay, so I'm clicking on this first one. Okay, so under that first one, we have three sections also. So we have the site identity, general design, and the social link. Okay, so the site identity now. So under the site identity, I have display logo in the header. So if I want to display logo in the header, I will click on this. If I don't want it to display, I will off it. Okay, so if I don't want it to display, I will off it. So as I am making changes here, I will be seeing it here as the changes are effected. So if I want my site title in the header to display, I will click on this, then I will see the site title will display, which is tutorial. Okay, then display logo in the header. If I want to display logo, I will click on this and make it active. Then I can upload my logo. So I want to select my logo. I'll be using my blog logo for example. Okay, so this is my blog logo, so I can drag and drop it here, then it will be uploaded. Okay, for search engine optimization, I need to write something here, this alt text, then describe the purpose of the image. So I can say that this website is tutorial website. I can say tutorial. I can say tutorial logo. Okay, tutorial logo, just to describe what that logo is meant for. It is very good for search engine optimization, and at times if your visitor have bad network and the image could not be loaded, then this alt text will be seen by your visitor to know that there is an image there and this is the purpose of the image. Then I will click select here. You can see it that this image is selected, it is marked. So I will click on select. If I want to crop the image, I can crop the image the way I like it, and I will click on crop image. But if I don't want to crop the image, I will click on skip cropping. Okay, crop the image. I want to crop that image. So this is my logo here. Now, for every logo that you will be using on your website, it is advisable that it is in PNG format so that the background will be removed and it will automatically take the background color of your website. Okay, so moving down now, we have the site title. If I want it to be tutorial, it will remain tutorial. If I want to change it, maybe I want to change it to tutorial website, and as you can see it will take effect immediately. Okay, the tagline also, this is just another WordPress site. If I move upward here, as you can see here, we are having, this is just another WordPress site. So I can change my tagline to learn WordPress design anytime. So my tagline can be like that. So whatever I put as my tagline will be replaced. Okay, so display your site description tagline. If I want my tagline to be displayed, I will make it active here, and as you can see, learn WordPress design anytime. So the tagline can be displayed, but I don't want it displayed. Okay, logo for mobile. So if I want to select another logo for my mobile view, then I can select another logo. Then the next one is icon, site icon. Now look up here. This icon here is for the XAMPP that I'm using for this tutorial. I'm using XAMPP as my server for this tutorial. Is for this XAMPP, and if this website is on a remote server, if the website is online, what will be here is WordPress logo. So this is called a site icon. So I want to change this site icon. Okay, I want to change it to my logo. Okay, I will write my alt text to be site icon and select it, and I will crop the image. Okay, so as you can see that the WAMP server icon has been removed and it has been replaced by my website icon. So that is that about site icon. So let me go back from that tab. Then we have general design option. I'm clicking on that. So from my website, I may decide to change my font style here. Don't forget this customization varies according to theme that you are using. So customizations are not the same, but they are similar. Okay, so set your website default font size in pixels. So if I want the website font size to increase or decrease, I can set it here. So if I make it 1, you can see that the text are no more visible. If I make it 100, for instance, you can see how big they are, but by default it is 16. So let me leave it at 16. So website maximum width. So this website, you can see the width from here to here. The width of the website, I can increase it here and I can decrease it. So if I want it to be box layout, I will make it active. Okay, let me publish and see what we have done so far. So let me refresh this website. Okay, so you can see that after making the website to be boxed, okay, I've uploaded the logo. After making the website to be boxed, you can see how the website is now displayed. The footer is not taking the full width of my screen anymore, and the header part is not taking the full width of my screen anymore because I've made it to be boxed. So I want to uncheck this. I want to return it back to the former width. Okay, so let me refresh. Okay, as you can see that it has taken full width of my screen. So there are things you can do here to change the look of your website. Okay, so primary color. This primary color of the website, you can see celebrity gist is carrying green, which is this color. The background here is carrying green, which is this color, and the secondary color is you can see it on the secondary sidebar. So I can change it. If I want it to be blue, it will change to blue. So as you can see it, okay, this is purple color. If I want it to be purple color, it will be purple color. If I want this also to be black, for instance, it will change to black. So whatever I want to do with it, you can see that the look of the website is changing already. Okay, let me refresh my page and see the effect. Okay, you can see the look of the website has changed. Okay, all right, so let's move down. So site wide background. Okay, you can see the background of the website is, okay, let me say this is somehow gray or something like that. Okay, for instance, I can change it to purple or any other color that I want. Okay, so let me refresh this page. So as you can see that the background has changed, but I want it to be like before. Okay, let me refresh my page. Okay, so it is back. I prefer that. Okay, so under that tab, let me go back. If I don't want it to be color, I want it to be background image. For instance, I can select background image. For instance, I can select this background and publish. Let's see in the front end how it looks like. So you can see that the background image is now on and this website is looking quite different. So the look of your website depends on how well you can use your customization tool. So but I don't need this background, I want to remove it. Okay, I publish, then let me go back and social link. Okay, so I want to add new social link here. Okay, let me say I want to add Facebook. Okay, I don't want to put my Facebook URL, but in the previous class I told you that wherever you want to, you don't have a link, or maybe you don't want it linked to anywhere, you can put hash, then that will represent the link there. So I'm adding it. Okay, so as you can see, the Facebook icon is being displayed. So I can also customize the look here. Okay, so I can add as many icons I want to add here. Okay, let me go back to the header design. So the header design, I can see site identity, logo. Okay, I've been able to, okay, we've been here before. Okay, header design, color and others. So top bar background, so I can change the background of my top bar. Here you can see my top bar, but I want to reset it back to default because I prefer the default color. So my header background, I can change it. You can see it will change, but I'm putting it back to my default. Okay, so menu background, mobile menu background. So if you want to use the same background for your desktop view and your mobile view, you can change only this one. But if you need different color on your mobile view, you set your mobile view background. So these are just the things you can play with under customization. So your main body design, so you can column layout for main content. Okay, the column layout, if you check this website, we are having 3 columns. We are having one sidebar. The first column is for the primary sidebar, the second column is for the main body, and the third one is for the secondary sidebar. So if I want this global layout to be just 2 columns, that is content left, meaning the sidebar will be right, or if I want my content to be right and my sidebar left. So let me choose this one, content right, and publish. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay, refreshing my page now, you can see that my content, that is the main body, is to the right, while my sidebar is to the left. Okay, but I want to make it 3 columns. I prefer that 3 columns. Okay, column layout for home. So this layout is for only home page. It will not affect all others, while these 3 columns, this global layout, will affect the whole website, while only this one will affect the home page. Okay, column layout for single, okay, for a single page. So you can check other layouts here. Okay, column layout for archive category. Maybe you have created a category and okay, like we have created celebrity gist here. If I click on celebrity gist here, it will show me the archive of my post. So how do I want this layout to be? So that is what is here, archive for the category. Then if I search on anything here, the results, let me just say lover and search. Okay, so you say okay, nothing is found. So on this particular page, search results, what do I want there? How do I want the layout to look? So that is what we do here, column layout for search. Then for error, if there is an error, for instance, if there's a broken link, maybe in the process of putting this about us, the link is not correct. If I click on it, it will say page not found, error 404. So on that page not found, how do I want the layout to be? So that is this one, this error 404 is for. So you can work with different design on your customization. Okay, so single page setting, single post setting, thumbnail settings. Okay, the images on your post, they are thumbnails, then you can also customize your post comment. Post comment, do you want your post comment to be active? You can set it active. Page comment, it is not advisable anytime. Okay, let me see that post comment. Let me click on a post. Okay, so for this post now, I can comment, but if I take it off here and publish, then let me refresh this page. Okay, as you can see, the comment section, the comment box is gone. So it all depends on what you want on your site and what you do with your customization. Okay, so footer design, want to design my footer layout, display a full width widget area in your footer. So you can see this widget area. I'm having footer 2 and footer 3. So let me see this widget area, the full width. So you can see another width is added here, which is footer full width. So if I don't want it there, if I have maybe a video to put here or advertisement, I can put there. But if I don't want it there, I can put it off. Okay, so other things, they are there for you to do under customization. Okay, you can also customize your menu. You can create menu from here also. Okay, so for the advanced option, mobile device, enable the mobile friendly or responsive layout. This should be turned on always, though it is not common with some themes. So if I put this off now and publish, what will happen to my website? Okay, if I minimize it, like I want it to display like as if it is on mobile device, you can see it is responsive. I can see all my content to adjust. But if I reload this page after publishing, enable the mobile friendly layout, you can see what will happen. After refreshing, you can see it is no more responsive on my browser. You can see I cannot see it clearly anymore. Okay, so this should be turned on. Okay, so search results, there are so many things. Include image in search results. If I want the image to be included, then I can include it. Okay, let me go back to this front page content and let's see what I can do with that front page content. Okay, so display your blog post as a standard list. You can see how the posts are displayed. Now, if I want it to be standard list, I put this one on and you can see it will list the post. Let me publish and refresh. Okay, so I'm refreshing the front page. Okay, so refreshing the front page, you can see that the posts are now listed. Okay, so going back to the customization area, okay, I want to put this off. I don't want it. Let me publish and our site will be back to its former design. Okay, you can see the posts are now side by side. Okay, so feature image in their original dimension in post list. Okay, if you want your feature image to be displayed as thumbnail or to be displayed as original size in your post, but it is advisable that you leave it as thumbnail. Okay, also display post thumbnail. If I want these thumbnails to be displayed, then I will leave this checked. But if I don't want it to be displayed, I can easily put it off. Okay, so let's check the thumbnail. So for the thumbnail, you can see they are visible, but if I don't want those images there, I can put it off. And let me refresh my page. Okay, you can see that those images, the thumbnails, they are no more there. Okay, so that is just all about customization. Like I said, I don't want to dwell much on customization because they are different according to team. So what you are seeing in this team, you may not see them in other teams, but follow the instructions in the team and you will be able to customize your website. So whenever you make changes to your website under customization, you can easily go to the front end, refresh your page. If it looks like what you want, then you leave it. If it does not look like what you want, you can easily revert the changes. Okay, that will be all for this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and remember to check the description box below this video. You may be having some useful information there. All right, thanks for watching this tutorial.